Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you have a good day, my friends. Hope you're feeling good. And today video we are going to discuss the Shiba Inu price changes, my friends. You know what, my friends? Shiba Inu is going to the moon. Shiba to the moon, my friends. They are ready to the moon. Are you ready to the moon or not? Tell me in the comment box, my friends. Absolutely, Shiba Inu is start jumping, start pumping from the yesterday. From the yesterday, the changes of the Shiba Inu is positive, and you know what? Personally, I'm holding 2.5 billion Shiba Inu token. So when I see that after a long-term fast, the Shiba Inu started jumping, so that's really a very surprise news for me, my friends. I'm very happy to see this kind of change occur in the Shiba Inu. Absolutely, you also feeling happiness due to this changes, my friends. Now you can see here that the changes occur in the Shiba Inu. The last 1 hour, last 1 day changes of the Shiba Inu is positive, my friends. The latest both changes of the Shiba Inu is positive, so that's why you're feeling satisfied. You're feeling good about the Shiba Inu, my friends. And you know what, my friends, I understand. Now I'm confirmed, I'm sure about the Shiba Inu that they are going to hit a $1 dollar and they are going to hit a very huge pump. You can see here, my friends, I saw this jump, and after this jump the price falls down, but now the latest situation is again positive, and I'm sure that they will again start pumping and they will give you good amount of profit, my friends. Just you have to hold, my friends. If you hold Shiba Inu, so you are a million. You are the future millionaire Shiba holders, my friends, if you hold Shiba Inu for a long time, my friends. Anyways, how do you feel today about the Shiba Inu, good or bad? Just tell me your opinion, your prediction about the Shiba Inu. And personally, my friends, I'm feeling very good about the Shiba Inu. I hope that they will give us profit, not loss. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.